Hi, this is Abigail from Origami for Cost, and today we will be making an origami wallet. It's an easy version. So, first of all, we're just gonna fold this in half. And then you're gonna open it up. You're gonna fold this part to the middle. You're going to fold this part not quite to the middle. So you're just going to fold it about halfway. And then you're going to flip it over, fold it a little bit. Not so much. You don't want to do so much. You don't want to make your wallet small, do you? Store your precious stuff. And then you're going to do it the other side. Not so much. I'm not going to make my wallet so big. You can make yours big. And then you're going to fold this part down and back. And then you flip it over. And then you got a mini pocket here. You can store your precious coins. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye.